Have you ever wondered what the future of transportation looks like? We stand on the cusp of a new era, where the boundaries of travel are being stretched and redefined, with technology playing the leading role. Our journey through time reveals a fascinating evolution. From the humble beginnings of horse-drawn carriages, we've come a long way. The advent of steam engines, followed by gasoline-powered cars, laid the groundwork for a revolution in transportation. The 20th century introduced us to the world of aviation, shrinking the globe and making international travel commonplace. Now, in the 21st century, we're witnessing the dawn of an exciting new age. We're talking about a world where air taxis glide above cityscapes and hyperloops hurtle through vacuum tubes at blistering speeds. These aren't just figments of the imagination, but tangible prospects that are reshaping our concept of distance and time. So, buckle up and join us as we delve into the fascinating future, air taxis and Hyperloop. To appreciate where we're headed, we have to understand where we've been. Our journey through the timeline of transportation development is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. The story starts with our ancient ancestors, who relied on their own 2 feet for mobility. But of course, they soon realized that walking was too slow and tedious. So they tamed animals and used them for transportation. Horses, camels, and elephants became the earliest means of transport. Then came a pivotal moment in human history, the invention of the wheel around 5,000 years ago. The wheel revolutionized transportation, giving birth to carts and chariots, making the movement of goods and people faster and more efficient than ever before. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we witness the advent of the steam engine, a landmark development that powered the Industrial Revolution. Trains and steamships transformed long-distance travel, shrinking the world as we knew it. The 20th century heralded the era of personal mobility with the mass production of automobiles. Cars, once a luxury, became a necessity, changing the landscape of our cities and our lifestyles. Then, the skies were conquered with the invention of airplanes, making international travel a matter of hours rather than days or weeks. As we stepped into the 21st century, we saw the rise of electric cars, a step towards sustainable transportation. Companies like Tesla have been at the forefront of this revolution, striving to make electric vehicles the norm rather than the exception. Throughout this journey, each leap in transportation technology has brought us closer together, made our world smaller, and opened up new possibilities. But we're not done yet. We're standing on the precipice of yet another leap forward. Now, we are at the brink of another major shift, the era of air taxis and Hyperloop. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're shaping a future where distance and time will become even less of a barrier than they are today. Imagine soaring above traffic in a sleek, quiet, and eco-friendly air taxi. Now, this is not a distant dream, but a reality that's just around the corner. Welcome to the era of air taxis. Air taxis are a new breed of transportation that promises to take us to our destinations in a way we could only dream of before. Essentially, they are small, electric aircraft designed to carry a handful of passengers within or between cities. They're quiet, efficient, and, most importantly, they can bypass ground traffic completely. This means less time stuck in gridlock and more time doing what you love. Imagine this. You're in the heart of a bustling city, you step into an air taxi, and in a matter of minutes, you're whisked away to your destination. No traffic, no noise, just you, the sky, and the cityscape beneath you. The magic behind air taxis is a blend of advanced technologies. They use electric propulsion, which means they're powered by electricity rather than traditional fuel. This not only makes them more environmentally friendly, but also significantly quieter than conventional aircraft. In addition, they're designed for vertical takeoff and landing, much like a helicopter. This allows them to operate in tight urban spaces where runways are not available. But the benefits of air taxis go beyond just saving time. They could also play a significant role in reducing the environmental impact of our daily commutes. By moving some of our transportation to the sky, we can decrease the number of cars on the road, leading to less air pollution and lower carbon emissions. In essence, air taxis could revolutionize urban mobility. They offer a promising solution to some of the most pressing challenges of our time: traffic congestion, air pollution, and the urgent need for sustainable transportation. As technology continues to advance, the concept of hopping into an air taxi could soon become as commonplace as hailing a cab. Air taxis could revolutionize urban mobility, making our cities cleaner and commutes faster. So, buckle up and get ready for a whole new way to travel. The future is here and it's flying high above the ground. Picture traveling at the speed of sound in a comfortable pod, the Hyperloop. This is not a scene from a science fiction novel, but a technology that's being developed right now. It's the Hyperloop, a futuristic mode of transportation that could revolutionize the way we travel. Imagine being able to commute from Los Angeles to San Francisco, a distance of nearly 400 miles, in just 30 minutes. That's the promise of the Hyperloop. It's a new form of mass transit, designed to be incredibly fast, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. The Hyperloop is based on the concept of moving people and goods in pods through a network of low-pressure tubes. These tubes are designed to minimize air resistance and friction, allowing the pods to reach incredible speeds. But how does it work? At the heart of the Hyperloop technology is magnetic levitation, or maglev. This is the same technology used in some high-speed trains today. In the Hyperloop, the pods float on a magnetic field, eliminating the need for wheels and reducing energy consumption. The low-pressure environment inside the tubes further reduces air resistance, allowing the pods to maintain high speeds with minimal energy input. The potential benefits of the Hyperloop are immense. It could drastically reduce travel times, making long commutes a thing of the past. It could also reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, as the Hyperloop is designed to be powered by renewable energy sources. This could contribute to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, helping us tackle the challenge of climate change. However, the Hyperloop is not just about speed and efficiency. It's about creating a new way to travel that's comfortable and accessible. The vision is for the Hyperloop to be affordable for everyone, opening up new opportunities for people to live and work where they choose, without the constraints of traditional transportation. The Hyperloop promises to shrink distances and transform long commutes into short trips. As we look to the future of transportation, the Hyperloop represents a tantalizing possibility: the ability to travel at the speed of sound, comfortably and sustainably. However, the road to this future is not without its bumps. As with any groundbreaking innovation, air taxis and Hyperloop face a multitude of challenges that need to be addressed before they can be seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives. Firstly, there is the issue of regulatory hurdles. These futuristic modes of transportation are still in their infancy and thus lack a comprehensive legal framework to govern their operation. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide will need to develop new policies and regulations that can keep pace with the rapid advancements in technology while ensuring public safety and fair competition. Then we have the safety concerns. For air taxis to become a reality, they must be as safe, if not safer, than conventional means of transportation. This means rigorous testing and validation of autonomous flight systems, robust fail-safe mechanisms, and comprehensive emergency response plans. Likewise, the Hyperloop must prove its safety in a variety of scenarios, from dealing with natural disasters to ensuring passenger well-being during high-speed travel. The third challenge lies in the technological obstacles. While we have made significant strides in developing the technology needed for air taxis and Hyperloop, there is still much work to be done. Air taxis require advanced battery technology for longer flights and rapid recharging. Hyperloop, on the other hand, needs to perfect its vacuum and magnetic levitation systems to ensure efficient and comfortable journeys. Lastly, there's the question of public acceptance. It's one thing to develop these technologies, but quite another to convince people to use them. Overcoming public skepticism and fear of new technologies will be a crucial step in bringing these transportation systems into the mainstream. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of air taxis and Hyperloop make the journey worthwhile. The prospect of a future where we can travel quickly, efficiently, and sustainably is a vision worth striving for. And while the road ahead may be bumpy, with determination, innovation, and collaboration, we can make this future a reality. The future of transportation is full of possibilities. As we've explored today, air taxis and Hyperloops are two promising innovations that could revolutionize our daily commutes and long-distance travels. Air taxis, with their potential for reducing traffic congestion and offering faster, more efficient travel, could transform the way we navigate our cities. Meanwhile, the Hyperloop, with its high-speed, environmentally friendly design, could alter the face of long-distance transportation, making journeys that once took hours achievable in mere minutes. These advancements are not without their challenges, of course. From regulatory hurdles to technological and infrastructure needs, there's still much to be done before these concepts become commonplace. Yet, the potential they hold for improving urban life, reducing our carbon footprint, and making travel more efficient is undeniable. As we look forward to this exciting future, one thing is clear: the way we travel is about to change in ways we can barely imagine.